when you were young.
Have you ever wondered how much water in the ocean?
How many stars are in the sky?
How far is galaxy?
Or how many atoms in a substance?
In science, people use measurements like temperature, mass, volume to measure different physical properties.
But how can they measure the number of atoms, which is a way beyond imagination and daily measurement?
The answer is mole.
Like all the other measurements, mole is a unit that can measure extremely small substance, such as atoms, molecules, and area represented by 6.022 multiplied 10 to 23rd.
It's just like light year, which measure a far, far, and far distance.
But 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd is a huge number. If we assume that 100 pieces of paper has a height of 3.76 centimeters, if you have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd pieces of paper that pile together, you will have a height of 2.25 times 10 to the 13 kilometers. The distance between Earth and Sun is only about 1.52 times 10 to the 8 kilometers.
If you have a mole of basketball, you can create a new planet like Earth.
But where does the mole come from?
Amedeo Avogadro, he developed the mole and he is hailed as the founder of the atomic molecular theory.
Amedeo Avogadro, who was an Italian scientist, was born on August 9, 1776 in Turin. Avogadro had an enviable family background that his father, Filippo, was a magistrate and senator who had the title of count, and his mother, Anna, was a noblewoman.
When he was 20 years old, Avogadro showed his intelligence while he got a doctorate of law in 1796.
Although Avogadro had followed the family tradition by studying law, he gradually lost interest in legal matters, but he found a science that was much more attractive.
During his scientific studies, Avogadro developed the SI unit mole for measuring the amount of substances, which later called Avogadro's number. He stated one mole of a substance is 6.022 multiplied 10 to 23rd representative particles of that substance. More can be used in atoms, molecules, and the conversion between different formula units.
Avogadro was also famous for molecular theory, now known as Avogadro's law, which states that equal volumes of gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure will contain equal numbers of molecules. 1 mole of gas has a volume of 22.4 liter. That called the molar volume of gas. Avogadro's law determined not only molecular masses, but atomic masses as well.
Regrettably, due to the lack of accurate experimental results, Avogadro's law was not recognized until he died at the age of 79 on July 9, 1856 in Turin.
Thanks to mole and Avogadro's law, scientists can now measure the amount of substance in any form and convert between different formula units.
In tribute to him, we have created Mole Day, which is an official holiday celebrated among chemists, chemistry students, and chemistry enthusiasts on October 23rd between 6:02 a.m. and 6:02 p.m.